Former President Noynoy Aquino and Kris have not been talking with each other for almost 2 years. The political sister revealed this on Instagram when a follower asked, despite their situation, Kris said her children continue to regularly see their Tito Noy. Kris explained her response. Kris also revealed she had misunderstandings with her sisters, but things are okay now. On her birthday, Kris posted these letters from her ates. She stressed there is no support system stronger than having sisters.